to my channel. My name is Katia Valino. How you all doing? Thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, if this is your first time, I am Katia Valino. Thank you so much. Do me a favor, hit that red button that says subscribe so that you can become part of this family. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share. And remember to follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you guys so much. So I'll be teaching you and telling you how to make your own homemade Botox. Homemade Botox. Yes, some people go to the doctors to get their fillers to fill the lines and to brighten their skin. Today I'll be sharing with you quick and easy home remedy to get the same thing called Botox at home. Okay, so the first thing that we will be needing is banana. Make sure your banana is very overripe. The more banana is ripe, the more potassium it has. Banana is loaded with a lot of vitamin C and a lot of vitamin E. It will help clear skin and promote glowy skin. Here, this is how we're going to be kneading it. This is how we're going to be using that. We only need a little bit of banana. And I will put it in this bowl here. Also, the skin of the banana is where all the nutrients lies. So we must not forget to use the skin of the banana, the inside skin of the banana.
Mash it all up.
So the next ingredients that we are going to be needing is turmeric. Turmeric will help to clear the dark circle under your eyes. They will help to brighten your complexion. They will also help to decrease inflammation and slow down the formation of the cell damaging. So we need 1 teaspoon of turmeric in here. In my last video, I talked about rose water and glycerin. If you don't watch that video, please go back and watch that video. I will be leaving the link at the bottom of this video so that you can watch the video about rose water and glycerin. They will help to hydrate your skin, brighten skin pigmentation, decrease wrinkle formation and fine lines. So at this time, we are going to be using 1 teaspoon of glycerin and rose water in here. You want to turn it all around. Okay, the last but not the least is hyaluronic acid. I also made a video of this hyaluronic acid last week. I will also be leaving a link at the bottom of this video. Hyaluronic acid will help to moisten your skin. It's a binder that binds your skin together so that you don't lose a lot of moisture. It will help to plump up your skin, hydrate your skin, and really slow down the aging process in your skin. Now, all we need here is about 1 pinch of hyaluronic acid. So we need about 1 pinch in here. Most of the high-end commercial skincare contains a lot of hyaluronic acid. You guys have to forgive me, I can't pronounce that word. Okay, so you want to bring it to this consistency, and so it's time to apply the mask on the face. Don't forget under your eyes.
To bring it down to your neck as well.
Okay, we are going to wait for this mask to dry for 10 minutes. Stay here and don't go anywhere. Keep watching. So after 10 minutes, all my Botox is absorbed into my skin. It's all dried up and I am going to wash it out now. Stay here and don't go anywhere. So voila, you can see how tight and how bright my skin is. It's all dried up. Now what I'm going to do, I'll be using my rose water with glycerin, because you don't need heavy moisturizer. You still want everything that you have used in your skin to absorb into your skin. However, it's really so hot in summertime. I don't really use a lot of moisturizer because I do a lot of skincare. So I recommend, if you do a lot of DIY, just use a toner and a very lightweight moisturizer. That's why I'm using just this toner with the glycerin to spray on my face. Yes, and guys, you can do this 2 to 3 times a week. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and the leftover you can put in the fridge and use it 2 to 3 times again. So all the best. Enjoy your homemade Botox. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. I cut my hair today. Do you like it? Okay guys, thank you. Au revoir. See you. Bye. Love you guys.